share you how to cook the simple way of Filipino menudo. This is not a Mexican menudo, this is Filipino menudo. These are all what I need for cooking menudo. These are my ingredients. 2 pounds of pork or 1 kilo pork, raisins, bell pepper, carrots, soy sauce, calamansi juice, potatoes, garlic, onions, beef liver, tomato sauce, Vienna sauce, sage, green peas, water, salt, and pepper. I'm going to start by soaking my meat in calamansi juice and soy sauce. I'm gonna soak this for 30 minutes. Not more than 30 minutes. Now you will ask, why calamansi? And why soak the meat in soy sauce? Calamansi helps in tenderizing the meat, and then the soy sauce adds flavor to the meat. It's time to put the meat in the pot. Stir. Cover it. Did you notice that I did not saute? Sauteing doesn't add flavor to the dish. It's all about ingredients. We saute garlic or onion because we want it to cook fast. Right now, I'm just letting the pork be cooked in its own juice. There's no water added there. I'm adding some of the potatoes. You will notice that I don't peel my potatoes because the nutrients are there. The reason why I added some of the potatoes so that it will be overcooked and thickens and will add to the taste of the juice of the dish. I'm gonna add the garlic and the onions. This is a good thing with Salad Master. It retains the water or the liquid inside your pan. Okay, I like that. I'm not gonna add the rest of the potatoes. And the carrots. The tomato sauce. I can see that the tomato sauce is not enough, so I'm gonna add more. I'm gonna add the beef liver. Some people they add liver spread, but I like using liver, fresh liver, as much as possible. I want to use pork liver, but I can't get pork liver here in our place. I'm gonna add the raisins. Raisins add sweetness in the flavor. I don't put too much because my husband doesn't like too much raisin in menudo. I'm gonna add some of the bell pepper. And then I'm gonna add the rest later. If you think that you don't have enough juice for your menudo, you can add the rest of the water. And then just let it simmer. I'm gonna add pepper. Salt. It's taking time for the potatoes to be cooked. I'm gonna add the Vienna sausage now. Now this menudo is a Filipino menudo. It's not the Mexican menudo. I'm gonna add the rest of the bell pepper and the green peas. Menudo is done.